Hi, I'm Frank Sherosky for Torque News, reporting from St. Ignace, Michigan, here with my wife Judy, and we're sitting at Java Joe's, having a little bit of apple pie and some iced tea, and waiting for the cars to start. And so I'm going to be taking a bunch of photos, see what I can get here, and also a bunch of videos, and we'll see what's up here. I've heard a lot about the show here in St. Ignace. This is my first time here for the car show, so looking forward to it. So you'll be catching more from me in a little bit. Have a great time. Yeah, here we are in St. Ignace. It started at the casino and worked its way down. Now here comes a long line of cars. This is Thursday night here in St. Ignace, and this is the cruise, called the cruise. Tomorrow they'll have a parade, and they'll have a nice Mustang with a big blower on it. There's a little more. That Chrysler looks like a Chrysler 300. Really long line. Really long line of vehicles. See if I can get a little rest here. Sorry for the bounce. Yes, I'm over here sitting right in front of Java Joe's. Little advertisement for Java Joe. We know Java Joe. Introduced to us by Kim, our friend Kim Hagen, who's in Italy right now. And we'll go over to Fort Algonquin, where her husband, Warren, runs Fort Algonquin. We'll be going over there to visit him tomorrow. I don't know how long this thing lasts. This is a really nice cruise. Nice Mini. A nice Mopar. I had one similar to it. 1964. That's a 64 Plymouth. Now, if you get one, go ahead and start a little bit slow, holding everything up, and then it'll start speeding up right about here. And some of the, I go to a lot of cruises, a lot of car shows, and I'm going to bet that there's a bunch of cars here that I have not seen before. And just as a side note, there's my wife Judy, next to a friend of her brother Joe's. Call him Junior. He told me his real name, I'm going to have to remember. I'm horrible at that. Sitting in front of Java Joe's. See what else we can find here. This is coming down, I think this is called State Street in St. Ignace. Yes, that looks like a hearse, doesn't it? Yes, that's a Cadillac hearse. Ooh, another hearse. What the heck is that? That looks like a taxi of some sort. Definitely a stretch vehicle of some sort. That's either a 53 or 54 Chevy. I think that's 54, I'm not sure. My buddy Ray would know that. He corrects me in all of my errors. You can call out some vehicles. Ray's not here with me today. He's still back downstate, as they say. I am upstate right now. Actually, in the Upper Peninsula. Look at the size of that roof, that high heritage roof on a 44. It looks like a 44 pickup. GTO. It's another 44. Wow, a couple look like 44s. In front of the Ignace Motel over there across the street from Java Joe's. There's an early Chevelle, or no, it actually starts out as a Nomad and then they call it a Chevelle. I'm sorry, corrected, Malibu. If I've seen that vehicle down in Woodward or not. Looks familiar. From what I hear, oh yeah, here's a nice one you don't see every day. A DeLorean. Isn't somebody supposed to build a DeLorean with an electric powered EV DeLorean? That'll be interesting. Nice roadster. Three-window coupe. Oh, look at that Ford. Some pretty clean cars. Oh, I like this one. Look at this. Revise my time on this. I have to keep track of this. I think I'm coming up on 7 minutes, so we have to gauge this. Nice Saturn sky. My neighbor across the street, Tony Sapienza, has a nice Saturn sky. Saturn sky has a little more bling on it than does the Pontiac version. Look at this, this is kind of cool. That's really cool. I like it. Enjoy the sights and sounds of St. Ignace. June 2012. Oh, it's a Plymouth. Looks like a Fury. It's like an old Plymouth Fury convertible. Look at that Lincoln. The angled vertical headlamps. New Camaro. Nice Chevelle. I think that's probably got to be a 396 in there. That vehicle is. Ray, help me on this one, buddy. That's a 52, oh, 63 Mopar. 62, 63 Mopar. Chevy 2. For sale, too. This goes a long way, by the way. See if I can zoom way out. It goes way down there. apologize ahead of time because I didn't know where the best spot was. I think in front of Java Joe's here was good enough for me for a first shot. There's a little bit more closer, I would say, probably downtown area. But this is pretty good because I get a nice clear shot of the vehicles. I'm not fighting a lot of people here. So this is kind of cool. I like this. Wow, look at that. I really like it. That is sharp. I like it. Wow, it's kind of quiet. Here's my first car, folks. My very first car was a 1955 Chevrolet. Mine was like cocoa brown. Came from my buddy Jimmy Hoffman, who lived in Detroit area, moved to Iowa, came back from Iowa, visited Detroit area, and I was at the age he was selling his car to buy a new one, and so I bought it from him for $125. What a deal. But it was every penny I had. Had to borrow the insurance money from my dad, who was cool enough to let me buy it. He could have said no. Another nice roadster. So you see, this just goes to prove that not everything happens downstate. That there's cars, hot rods, car enthusiasts here, even in the UP, the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. That looks like a 60, let's see, yes, the 1960. Yes, no, 60 Chevrolet, because the rear tail fins would have been curved, had it been a 59. See, I got that one right. A lot of GTOs. A lot of convertible GTOs too. I took a photo of her. It was a nice dart. This is another Pontiac. I think this is probably most likely a Catalina. Yes, I'm looking at it. It says Catalina on it. Oh, a nice Chevy 2. Super lightweight Chevy 2. Not sure what size engine it's got, but that car always used to be a hauler. It doesn't matter who owned the car, just the fact that it was nice, lightweight. It had great horsepower to weight ratio. Even with a 327 or even a 283 in it, it would haul ass really good, let me tell you. My buddy Ralph Pitlock had a 1966 Chevy 2. Do you remember the 327 350 horse? The 350 horse had a hydraulic cam in it, really good for the street. 327, 350 horse, and then the following year in '66 they less horsepower down to 275. Nice clean 55 Chevrolet. I think we're coming up on towards the end. I'm seeing this is pretty good. I like to keep these videos under 15 minutes. I'm approved by YouTube, by the way, to run more than 15 minutes, but I like to keep it reasonable. So that looks to be the end of the initial cruise. Kind of kicks off this event, I guess, here. And major traffic behind it. And they are all heading down towards the downtown area, which I will be here tomorrow, and I'll take a look at more of the cars, get some closer shots. Just wanted to catch this one for sure. I'm staying here at the Comfort Inn. I got a vacancy tonight, but I guess they're booked for the weekend. Okay, that's it for now. And I will just stop right here, do another one. Special thanks to Java Joe's. There's my lovely wife Judy and Junior, our friend Junior, who is a good buddy of my brother-in-law Joe Gibbs, also known in Indian lore up here and downstate as Roseville Joe. If you say Joe Gibbs, they might not know you, but if you say Roseville Joe, then they know him. Okay, that's it for now, and I'll report back with some more photos and more videos. From St. Ignace, Michigan, Frank Sherosky reporting for Torque News.